I tell you here the meaning and some definitions of public administration. The word administration has been derived from a Latin word ministere, which means to serve. Thus, in its common use, administer means to manage the affairs of a truly corporate people. Public administration is made up of two words, public and administration. Public includes all the activities carried out directly or indirectly by the administrative apparatus of the government. The extent of public would differ according to ideology and political philosophy of the party in power. Now I tell you some meaning of administrations. According to Marx Morstein, administration is the determined action taken in pursuance of conscious purpose. It is a systematic ordering of affairs and the calculated use of resources aimed at making those things happen which we want to happen. Simon says, in its broadest sense, administration can be defined as the activities of groups cooperating to accomplish common goals. According to Negro, administration is the organization and use of man and material to accomplish a purpose. Pfiffner says administration may be defined as the organization and direction of human and material resources to achieve desired ends. Brock Adams says administration is the capacity of coordinating many and often conflicting social energies in a single organism. According to F. M. Marx, administration consists in a systematized ordering of affairs and the calculated use of resources aimed at making those things happen which we want to happen. Now I tell you some definitions of public administration. According to Professor L.l.b. White, public administration consists of all those operations having for their purpose the fulfillment or enforcement of public policy. According to Pfiffner, it would seem that administration consists of getting the work of government done by coordinating the efforts of the people so that they can work together to accomplish their set tasks. According to Gladden, that is concerned with the administration of the government. Harvey Walker says the work which the government does to give effect to a law is called administration. William By says the term administration may be employed in political science in two senses. In its broader sense, it denotes the work involved in the actual conduct of the governmental affairs regardless of the particular branch of government concerned. In its narrowest sense, it denotes the operations of the administrative branches only. As students of public administration, we concern with narrowest meaning of the term. Waldo says the art of science of management as applied to the affairs of the state. Woodrow Wilson says detailed and systematic execution of public law, every particular application of general law is an act of administration. So I have been tell you the meaning and some definitions of public administration. I will be tell you a lot of material about public administrations, law, accounts, and so many other topics about study. So please subscribe my channel and get more and more material on public administration and law and accounts.